Hello, friends. Pregnancy gives you a lifelong responsibility which demands your mental, emotional, physical, and financial preparations. If you find yourself incapable of nurturing a child, you can resort to an effective birth method suggested here. In a woman with normal menstrual cycle, which is 28 days, ovulation occurs after 14 days of her last period. She remains fertile until 15 days. Sperm entering into vagina during this period can fertilize the egg, leading to conceptions. However, you must know that sperm can remain alive for 5 days, thus restrained from having intercourse for at least 1 week around the expected ovulation. Tell your partner to communicate to your partner that presently you are not willing to conceive. Discuss using contraceptives more often. Discuss the various forms of contraceptives available and decide on the most suitable one. You can also share the responsibility of contraception. Abstinence and outer course. The 100% safe method of birth control is still abstention. Another almost as safe birth control method is outer course, which involve discharging outside the vagina and no contact of the penis or semen with woman's vagina. These surgical methods are resorted to by many couples who do not want to conceive. In vasectomy, vasa differentia of a man are sealed to restrict sperm entry into the seminal stream. Tubal ligation. Tubal ligation is also known as female sterilization. In tubal ligation, women's fallopian tubes are blocked to prevent egg from reaching the uterus for fertilization. Intrauterine devices. It is a small plastic device which is placed in the uterus and it helps fertilization of an egg. An IUD can prevent pregnancy for as long as 12 years and can be removed if you want to get pregnant. Ask your gynecologist about it. Birth control shot. This is an injection containing progestin, which a woman receives in every trimester to prevent pregnancy. Commonly known barriers: condoms, female condoms, diaphragms, cervical caps, and birth control sponges, such as spermidicide, prevent pregnancy by blocking the entry of sperm into the cervix. Implant. A small plastic device is implanted under the skin in the upper arm. This matchstick-like implant releases progestin, a hormone which restricted ovaries from releasing the eggs. This implant provides effective prevention for 3 years. These includes birth control pills, which can be taken by mouth with water. Market is flooded with emergency contraceptive pills that are taken within 3 days of having intercourse. Another method is ring that vagina. A ring is effective for 3 weeks and is placed once every month. If you like the video, then subscribe us. Thank you.